Let's start with a background layer. Next, add some font. For the chiseled look, Times New Roman works really well. Type out your text. Then in the Layers panel, duplicate it just to have a backup. Next, go down and click the FX Effects icon. At the bottom, change the opacity to 0. Click the Color Overlay, then click the Color box. Grab the eyedropper and drag over and select an area of the background image where the engraved font will be. Click the color circle beside the eyedropper to apply it. Then, on the color wheel, make the color a little darker. This will enhance the engraved effect. Set the blend mode to soft light. Next, go over and select the inner shadow tab, and set to normal blend mode. Set the opacity to around 60. Set the radius anywhere from 1 to 45, it depends on the background texture as to what will look the best. Set the offset anywhere between 2 and 25. Set the intensity around 80. After all the settings have been made, you'll have to move the slider a little back and forth, until you get the desired shadow effect. This should give you a great looking engraved font look. This works with other textures too, like wood.